AI websites most people still don't know about. What if I told you some of the most useful AI websites on the internet aren't ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini? In fact, most people have never heard of them. While everyone is fighting over the same popular AI tools, there are websites quietly helping people research faster, write better, create content, automate work, and save hours every single week. And here's the surprising part. Some of these tools solve problems that the biggest AI platforms still struggle with. Today, we're looking at 7 AI websites that most people still don't know about, but probably should. NexveroLab, where we test products and break down what's actually worth your money. Let's get started. Most people discover AI tools the same way. They hear about ChatGPT, then Claude, then Gemini, maybe a few image generators, and that's where the search stops. The result? Millions of people use the same handful of tools, while overlooking specialized AI websites designed for specific tasks: research, video creation, presentations, knowledge management. The reality is simple. The AI industry is moving so fast that many genuinely useful websites never receive mainstream attention. And that's creating a huge opportunity for people willing to look beyond the obvious. Website number 1, Perplexity. Let's start with one of the strongest alternatives to traditional search engines. Think of Perplexity as a search engine built for the AI era. Instead of giving you a list of blue links, it generates answers and cites sources directly. Who is it for? Researchers, students, business professionals, content creators. The biggest strength is transparency. You can immediately see where information comes from. That makes fact-checking significantly easier than many AI chatbots. Website number 2, Gamma. Next is a website that makes presentations surprisingly easy. Most presentation software still requires hours of formatting. Gamma changes that. You provide a topic. The AI automatically creates slides, layouts, visuals, and structure. What makes Gamma different is its focus on communication rather than slide design. Website number 3, NotebookLM. This might be Google's most underrated AI project. NotebookLM allows users to upload documents, reports, and research materials. The AI then works exclusively from those sources. That means you're not chatting with the entire internet, you're chatting with your own information. Nobody talks about this enough. One feature has gained significant attention: audio overviews. The system can transform source materials into podcast-style discussions. It's a fascinating way to consume information. Website number 4, Runway. Now let's move on to AI video creation. Runway helps users generate, edit, and enhance video content using AI. What makes Runway impressive is the speed. Tasks that once required complicated editing workflows can often be completed much faster. It's a legitimate creative platform. Website number 5, ElevenLabs. If you've spent any time around AI voice technology, you've probably heard whispers about this one. ElevenLabs specializes in realistic AI voices. For creators, educators, and businesses, it opens interesting possibilities: narration, audiobooks, localization, voiceovers. What stands out is the emotional realism. Website number 6, TLDV. Meetings are one of the biggest productivity drains in modern work. That's where TLDV comes in. This tool records meetings and generates summaries. The value is helping people avoid rewatching entire meetings later. That's a huge difference, especially for teams spending hours every week in virtual meetings. Website number 7, Futurepedia. And finally, a website that helps you discover more AI websites. Futurepedia is one of the largest directories focused on AI tools. Thousands of AI products are categorized by use case. This is often where people discover emerging tools before they become mainstream. Visibility is everything. So which of these AI websites is actually worth your attention? If you do research, start with Perplexity. If you build presentations, look at Gamma. For documents, NotebookLM. For creators, Runway and ElevenLabs. If meetings consume your week, TLDV. And to discover what's next, Futurepedia is your starting point. The real advantage isn't finding more tools. It's finding the right ones before everyone else does. Those early discoveries often become the biggest productivity advantages. Which of these surprised you most? Leave them in the comments. Subscribe to NexveroLab for more honest reviews and smarter buying decisions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.